Week number 2 of 1 Peter. Remember, we've got to be reminded that Peter was the apostle chosen by Jesus, who really messed things up sometimes, and then sometimes got things really right. And he writes this letter to a group of people who have really been struggling, and they're trying to get things right. And in chapter 1, he gives them a hope for the future. And then in chapter 2, what he sets them up with is, here's what you need to do to make sure that you're moving things forward. You've got to get your relationships right. He gives a list of sins that those sins specifically all just ruin relationships. He's like, guys, if you get these relationships right, it will move you forward and help you have the lives and leave a legacy that you'd like to live. He also says that we all have a past, but thankfully God all gave us a future. And to get that future, sometimes we have to be willing to sacrifice. You got this.